What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in my office, and today I got a little bit of a different video. It is mountain bike related, so stay tuned because it's been a while and I want to get back at it. So before I show you, please consider subscribing, and other than that, I guess let's get right into it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So as many of you know, mountain bike season is coming up and there's a lot of options out there, and some of them can get very expensive, but some of them are really budget. And surprisingly, Walmart just made the day. And I guess probably a lot of you already know what I'm talking about because this has been going out in different channels, and this is something that I want to try to get my hands on, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it. So this is what we have. Yep, you guessed it. It's the Ozark Trail FS2 Slalom full suspension mountain bike, and it's currently now at $448, so that you have a 50% discount already. And this is a really good, capable bike that I've been seeing, and I kind of like it. I mean, by the way it looks very similar to my Shimano frame that I bought a while back. The components that I've seen, there's some videos out there that go over all the specs and everything about this bike. But let's go ahead and see what we got so far. Right now, this is a 17-inch frame, and it's also on a 29-inch frame. And as you can see, this one is currently out of stock. But look at this. You have an option of white and black and white. So this is a black one, 19-inch frame, but the components are gonna be the same on both of them. And let's go over the white one so that we can see what we're talking about. Let me see how much we can zoom in. So we have a coil fork with rebound adjustment right here, and it's not any one. It's just it's actually an XF Worm coil fork with adjustment. Not big. It's not the best. It's not, but it's not the worst either. So what I've seen in some of the reviews is that this fork can perform good until you make some changes. Then when we look at this right here, let's look at the color white. Actually, both of these look, the color, both of them look really good. What I like about both of the colors is that they're like kind of like a matte color. We have the aluminum crankset with plastic pedals, just like any other normal bike. Mechanical disc brakes. I think both of these are 180s. Let's go to the front. Both of them seem to be 180s. I'm not sure, but most likely both of them are 180s. And what's exciting about this is, like, look at this. We have a taper head tube with the SR Zone Tour XM30 coil fork. I think this is 120 millimeters right here, so that is correct. And the other shocking thing is that we have at the rear an actual through axle. This is great news for Walmart bike and budget riding. So there's a lot of things that you can do to this bike. The way it's set up right now, you can take it to the trail without any issues, and you can start upgrading. And the price of it, $448, that's just competitive with the Axum as well. So let's see product details. We have 29-inch full alloy frame. We have a rear shock is 185 by 48 millimeters coil spring, adjustable dampening. Frame size is a medium. Again, this is available on the large size shifter and derailleur. Another surprise right here, we have the Shimano Q's 9-speed shifter and derailleur. We have a crankset and a cranks. There's a 170 millimeter length with a 32 narrow wide chain ring. This is a square taper, no big deal, easy upgrade. The bottom bracket is a cartridge bottom bracket, but it's the square taper. Again, the cassette, we have a Shimano 9-speed 11 to 46 tooth cassette. Again, the pedals are plastic. Saddle 140 millimeter width, the seat post 31.6. And the good thing about this is very easy to do upgrades with these things. You can get a dropper post really affordable. The handlebar 720 millimeter width if you're okay with that. Otherwise, this is a good upgrade feature that you can do on and double lock on grips. The stem alloy 7 degrees. The headset 44 to 56. Headset, regular headset. I'm not sure if it's seal bearings or not, but easy upgrade. Front hub on the wheels is a quick release, which is okay, because if you're gonna replace the fork anyway, you can either convert the wheels to boost or buy a boost front wheel. The rear one though is also 6-bolt disc brake with a 12 by 148 millimeter boost through axle. This is a big step up for Walmart bikes. Rims, double wall alloy with Presta valve. Kenda tires, 29 by 2.35. I know there's some videos with people fitting 2.6s on it, so that's already there. 39 pounds. Maximum load weight 300 pounds. Fits riders 5'6" through 5'9". So if you are between 5'6" and 5'9", a medium frame will be great for you. Again, I really believe this is a big step up for Walmart bikes. And you can also, again, this is, I just can't. This is a excellent deal. I do want to get my hands on one of this. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I should buy one, because I don't really need another bike, but this is something that I want to, I really do wish I can have. But I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description below for you to check it out. Check them out. It's a great deal. I don't know if it's already on the shelves, but they can ship it for you to you right away. It's sold and shipped by Walmart. $448 for a really capable full suspension mountain bike with a through axle at the rear, and very easy to upgrade due to everything that this thing already has. The bearings on the suspension, everything has a, I mean, the suspension, the pivot points on the suspension, everything is bearings. So that's great. That's great news. Walmart stepping up the game with these Ozark trail bikes. Check them out. Like I said, I do want one, but I don't know if I can buy one. So keep your hands out. I mean, I don't know. You go get it. You go get it. You deserve it. Biking season is around the corner. If you have, I don't know, maybe like a schwinn Axum or something like that, and you already have it built up, you can just get this and swap everything over. You just get a air fork, air shock for the rear, and you'll be good to go. Because endless possibilities with this type of bikes. The quality seems perfect, not like a cheap $180 bike anymore. So check them out. Again, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. Thank you for staying in. More to come. And I guess that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.